请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and this month, April, in Thailand, there's a famous festival known as the Songkran Festival, also known as the Water Splashing Festival. I'm sure you've heard of it. There's even a music festival that's derived from it, and it actually signifies a new year in Thailand. And in the Chinese culture here, we also have a saying, 遇水则发, which means wealth and water are related. Now, I wonder in the Hakka culture if they have something like this, if they have any festivals that are related to water. So we're going to have Jia tell us all about it. Hello, Jia.
大家好，我是嘎嘎丽。
你有去过泰国吗？
哦，有去过。
那有参加过泼水节吗？
没去过，但是东胸去，你知道吗？
很想，对不对？
超级想去的。
尤其现在4月，其实东南亚已经夏天热了去那边然后被泼个水也蛮清凉的。
我知道东送快，
很爽快。那客家的文化里有没有什么跟水有关的，或者说有什么节庆也是跟水有关系的？
客家人的信仰很多，尤其呢最信仰就是八公。
八公不是土地公吗？那就是管土地啦。
不过我们八公真的是我们里长伯的里长，所以像是有沙条八公、开苏八公，还有水条八公，
就管水的。
没错，
太有趣了。
是不过呢，讲到八公啊，在头沿在 Tiki 懂斗哦，所以让我记得桃园杨梅有一个水龙节。
水龙节，这听起来是水龙节吗？
对，就是水龙节。
那他们会办什么活动吗？
其实就是 QQ 逢挑一孙，也是一个感恩的活动啦。
没错，而且你说这个在杨梅桃园这附近来举办，对不对？这边其实也有很多新住民来自东南亚，尤其是来自泰国，
对，
还可以共襄盛举。
冇错，就泰家用哈来拍水哈，
拍水一下就泼水，是不是？
泼水一下哦。
Okay, so in the Hakka culture, apparently they also have something called the Water Dragon Festival, and this festival takes place around the Yangmei or Taoyuan area annually too, and that's something that's associated with water. And they also have a deity, Tu Di Gong, which is the god of land, but he also takes charges of water, of nature and whatnot. So there you go, there's a connection there. 好，那我们就来教几个单词好了，包括呢，夏天快要到了嘛，夏天怎么说？
捏甜，
捏甜 ，and then you sweat a lot during this time， 所以顺便也教一下大家怎么说流汗呢？
你可以说流汗。
流汗 ，okay, that means to sweat, and when you sweat, get splashed by water, sounds like a refreshing thing, right? 所以泼水这个客语也有说法吗？
有哦，直接说拍水，
拍水，
或是你说拍一下，
泼一下。好， that does it for today's The World of Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什么太干？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.